Hello and welcome to the next video on this channel. It's been a long time since a video was released on this channel. That was because I have a lot of stuff to do in the last time. So yeah, let's start the next video. Let's start the next analysis. You're all welcome. And yeah, let's start with the USD CAD monthly time frame. Monthly is for me bearish. See here, lower high, lower high, lower high. Big bearish candles, boom, 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 who closed under the lows. That's a great indicator. And yeah, so the monthly view is bearish. Let's step down to the next time frame, the weekly time frame. Yeah, on weekly we see the bearish momentum in more detail. The last weeks are very bearish, and the overall time frame is bearish too. Lower high, lower high. Perfect bearish trend. Yeah, daily is of course also bearish. Strong bearish days. And yeah, it's a very beautiful picture. Let's step down to the H4 time frame. And here we can search for short entries. So the chart has loaded, and let's see if we can draw H4 resistance levels. Yeah. Here's the H4 resistance area. And boom, 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 here's a counter trend line. I has analyzed the chart in the past, and I'm also in the trade, but I show you why I'm in the trade, that you know what I do. So here's a counter trend line break. Break from the H4 support turned resistance. Okay, and here's the MA crossover. You know, MA crossover is a confirmation for me that I go in the trade with counter trend lines. But I only see the trade here, and this was Friday. Yeah, you see here the gap. And yeah, I said, okay, when the price pushes higher to the resistance area, then I short this currency pair. And the price comes higher, closed under the H4 support turned resistance. Here I short the currency pair, stop loss in this area above the highs. So let's draw some Fibonacci's. All right. Yeah, my take profits is in this area. Yeah. Yeah. Take profit is in this area. The price is 10 pips also for the take profit. When the trade runs into this take profit, it's a beautiful 8% trade. That's very great. Yeah, that is a very beautiful trade. Here's my entry, boom. Nearly no pullbacks. And in my opinion, it was a nice first analyze. And let's step down to the next currency pair, my friends. Okay, welcome to the currency pair AUD CAD. And I have nothing more to say that the currency pair is bearish. Very strong bearish momentum on the monthly time frame, of course. And let's step down to the weekly time frame. Okay, the weekly time frame is of course also very bearish. in a very strong downtrend with nice waves to the downside. Yeah, the last weeks are ranging, but overall the trend is bearish. So let's see what the daily time frame shows. Okay, yeah, the daily time frame is bearish in the strong downtrend. Wave down, wave up, wave down, ranging. Yeah, we need the H4 time frame for a clearer view, because in this time frame, yeah, it's daily, but here is ranging, so we need a H4 time frame. Okay, here in the H4 time frame, we see nice waves down, up, and ranging. You see them daily too. But at first, I can recognize this downtrend. Okay, and let's see if we can draw some H4 support or resistance areas. At first, I see here strong resistance. And here I see a strong support. Okay, I'm here in the trade too. Yeah, analyze the chart in the past. And yeah, see it, 1, 2, 3 bounces. The third bounce is very interesting. Here it's a confirmation for me. Close under the trend line is a confirmation for me that the bounce is confirmed. But the price pushed higher and then pushed down. So I saw the trade here. Stop loss in this area above the highs. And my take profit is in this area. It's a very nice risk reward. £2.5. Yeah, 7.5%. If the trade runs to the take profit, let's see, you can see it in the next video. And yeah, this is my analysis for the USD CAD currency pair. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful analysis too. Yeah, in my opinion, you can share your opinion in the comments too. And let's see what the next and last currency pair will show to us. Okay, hello and welcome to the next and last currency pair, AUD NZD. And at first, let's start with the top-down analysis. It's a monthly time frame. And the monthly view is bearish for me, with lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And yeah, that's bearish for me. Let's see what the weekly time frame will show us. Yeah, okay. For me, bearish too. Nice waves, down, up, down, up. Yeah, it's bearish with lower highs. And here's a possible lower high. It can push higher, but overall it's bearish. So I doesn't buy this currency pair. Okay. The daily time frame is bullish. And we see here a push to the upside, push to the downside, and here a massive push to the upside. But my top-down analysis said that the currency pair is bearish. So here's the last chance to search for sell opportunities, because this can be a counter trend line. If the price pushed higher than this area here, it's bullish for me. But let's step down to the H4 time frame for a clearer view. So here I see a counter trend line. And let's step down or up to the H4 resistance area. I see that before I record this video. Here. A very strong resistance area, very strong. So this is a daily resistance area, and let's draw the daily support area. Yeah, here, and here it's a very strong support. It's a potential target. Great. Okay, that's a daily analysis. So let's step down to the H4 time frame. Okay, we can see here the counter trend line. Okay, here it's a break, but not a clear MA crossover. Here it braked, and you can short here. It was a lost trade. If you execute the trade, if yes, it's not a problem. If no, you have not a lost trade. It's okay too. But I see this and this, a double top. Okay, sorry. I see a retest from the counter trend line, a double top, a touch from the daily resistance area, and until here the trade was interesting for me. So I wait for MA crossover, the MA crossover course here. So here I short the currency pair, stop loss, you know it from me, both the highs, and my target is in this area. Very simple and beautiful trade. It's nearly break even also, so we must wait. But this is my analysis from the AUD NZD. And yeah, you can draw here a trend line and see how the price reacts to the trend line. But the price, it's a little bit higher. But I think in this week the price can push to the trend line and break this trend line, or retest and bounce from it, break the highs, or bounce from it off, take off the short traders in this area, but my stop loss is higher. So stop loss hunt can be in this area and then break the counter trend line, and the price can push to the support. Okay, this is my video after a long time. I hope you miss me. It's a joke for sure. So I hope you find my content useful. You can share it in the comments. Wish you all a nice pipful week. We can see us in the next video. I hope it. And yeah, have a nice week. Bye bye, my friends.